It's your boy Mike here on this I would say beautiful day, but it ain't raining, so to me it's beautiful. It's about 45 degrees outside, but I'm about to install the Pedal Commander. I guess, what is it called? The Pedal Commander, pretty much like a throttle. It's like a throttle sensitivity type deal. So pretty sure you guys seen it on American Muscle. That's where I got it from. I'm gonna be installing that real quick before I head to work. It's supposed to give you more of a throttle response without a tune. I want to get long tubes and all that good stuff. But I mean, I'm just not sure if I'm really down to all that tuning, and then car got to get inspected and pass emissions and do all that. So I may just, just stick with this. And I may not get the long tubes. Who knows? I mean, mine may change or whatever, but for now I'm about to go ahead and install this here. So stay tuned, and I'll kind of post a little snippets here of when it's installed and all that good stuff. The video is online on how to install it, so I don't got to do like a how-to video like I did on my Novi stretch grill. There was no videos of that, but with no further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so now I got it installed. It took about 5 minutes to get it installed. Very simple install. So I'm heading to work now, but there it goes right there. I don't have it on yet. I guess I do. It's on eco mode. I think I see it on eco mode. I just put it in the same spot that the old girl did on American Muscle. I mean, it's pretty good spot to put it at. It's out the way. It's not down here, so if I get in, it ain't right here. So if I get in, I don't hit it or something like that. If I get in and step in or something like that. So, but other than that, man, easy install. I'll be testing it out here shortly, and I'll let you guys know pretty much the reviews and all that. I seen I think 1 or 2 YouTube videos on somebody getting it installed and putting it on, but they normally put these on, like I see Jeeps and stuff like that on YouTube, like Jeeps and trucks and all that. I really don't see them on sports cars, and I guess because people just get a tune. But this can be used hand to hand with the tune. So I do plan on just tuning my car, just regular, just tuning it. I don't think I want to get the long tubes and all that anymore. But who knows? My buddy Austin, shout out to Austin. He does some of my photo work and all that good stuff like that. He's pretty good at photography. So he's on my Instagram channel. I think it's I'll put it in the screen right here somewhere, so you can get his name and all that. But he's pretty good. So if you're in the DFW area, man, he's a good guy, man. Great photographer. But yeah, man, he has a setup, and I may get that set up too, because that shit is loud and I like loud. But yeah, man, so it's all installed. I'll do another video and let you guys know pretty much the reviews of it and what I think, and if you guys should get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow your boy Sick Edition Performance Mike here, and I'm out.